你好, I'm Jingyu. Welcome to my channel. I will continue to update Chinese language learning courses and share Chinese culture. If you are interested, please follow me. Okay, in this lesson, we will learn how to express date in Mandarin, including year, month, and day. Let's begin. First, year is 年. Please repeat. 年 年. If you want to say a specific year, just put each members in front of 年. You can review the previous lessons about members if you need. For example, 2024 is 2024年. 2024年 and 2025 is 2025年 2025年 And how would you say 1999? Correct. It's 1999年 1999年 Alright, let's look at the months. It's 月. Please repeat. 月 月 月. Also, we put the members 1 to 12 before 月, represent January to December. For example, January is 1月. 1 is the number 1, so 1月 is January. Please repeat. 1月 1月 May is 5月 5 is the number 5. Please repeat. 5月 5月 And how about December? That's right. It's 12月. The number 12 is 12. So December is 12月. Please repeat. 12月 12月 Okay, next is day. We say 号. Please repeat. 号 号 号. We know a month includes a maximum of 31 days. So we just put 1 to 31 before 号 to express a specific day. For example, the first is 1号 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 And the fifth is 15号 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 How about the number 31st? Correct. It's 31. So the 31st is 31号. 31号31号 Okay, let's practice to use 年, 月, and 号 to express a specific day. If you want to say January 1st, 2024, it would be 2024年1月1号 Again, 2024年1月1号 Okay, the May 5th of 2024 is 2024年5月15号 Again, 2024年5月15号 Okay, next, the December 31st of 1999 is 1999年12月31号 Again, 1999年12月31号 Now, how would you say July 23rd, 2023? That's right, it's 2023年7月23号 Again, 2023年7月23号 If I want to say I was born in 1997, I would say 我出生在1997年 Here, 我 means I. 出生 means was born. 在 means in. 1997年 is 1997. Put it together, it means I was born in 1997 is 我出生在1997年。我出生在1997年。Can you tell me which year you were born? 我出生在Okay, if I want to say what is the day today, I can say 今天是几月几号 Here, 今天 means today. 是 is. 几 is an interactive pronoun used to ask about quantity or members. So, 几月 ask about which month, and 几 how ask about which day. Together, it means what is the date today? 今天是几月几号？今天是几月几号？ You can answer today is 今天是 If today is May 5th, you can say 今天是5月15号。今天是5月15号。Can you tell me what is the date today? 今天是Very good. That's today's video. Feel free to leave your thoughts and suggestions in the comment section below. Practice documents are available below the video. You can download if you need. If you are interested in my channel and want to learn some Chinese, please follow my channel. 再见。